Hi and welcome to spreadsheets. Well, what we're going to be looking at today is filtering and sort of revisiting the functions that we've already done. So here I've kind of found all the top 40 in the current music chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the headings and go sort and then go filter. Okay, this is in the home section. Go filter. This will allow me to ascend or go through here. I can also go on here and select who I want to see. All the different musics. See? And then I can select all again and I can sort it by number. Okay, so that is one of the skills I'd like you to do. So that is known as a sort and filter. Now we're also going to do a conditional formatting. So I'm just going to highlight all the rows. So how I did with that is I clicked on the A, so the black arrow came, and then I just dragged my mouse, conditional formatting, and I'm actually just going to do a colour scale. So what this is going to do is it's going to look at the numbers and create this kind of scale. Red being number 1, 40 being at the bottom. Now if I rearrange this, see? So you can visually see where everything is. I would like you to do those two skills and then I'd like you to format the table as you want. Remember, by format, I want you to change the colours and the font and add borders. Okay, have a go on this first task. Okay, so you should have done that now, so let's move on to the next task. Now this is formatting functions and graphs. So again, I'm not going to format this table because we've done enough lessons on that. I think you're able to add colours, add borders, etc. I'm just going to change all of these by highlighting them all to currency. And then I'm just going to do the function. So equals sum, because remember that is the function to add, and then highlight the range. I missed one, so I'm just going to do it again. Close bracket, enter, min equals min. Open bracket. I get asked all the time, do you have to write them in capitals? You don't. You can do the functions in lowercase. It's absolutely fine. It will change it for you. Open bracket, highlight them all, max, and then equals average. Open bracket, highlight them all. And bracket, press enter. So that's what you need to do. Again, remember, I also want you to change the colours and everything else. I don't always spend too long on it because by now it should be a lot quicker for you. What I'm going to do slightly different this time is I'm going to create a graph. So I'm going to highlight the costs, insert, recommended charts, and yours will come up slightly different. And I'm just going to go, I think I like a pie. And there we are. Highlight it, so this is our pie. So I want you to get to this point now, and then I'm going to show you some cool stuff you can do. Okay, so by now you should be like this. If you double click on one section, it will open up the filters for that. And you can fill, and you can do picture or gradient. I'm going to insert. Oh, you can go through that. You can also, so there you can add a picture if you wanted to. You can do a pattern fill. You have so many options of what you want to do with this. So I want you to play around. So double click. You can right click as well to get the design options and have a go. All right, enjoy.